Welcome back to Explain CAD. In this tutorial, we will create the pneumatic cylinder nut guide. For that, first of all, I select top plane, sketch, normal, and now I select circle command, draw one circle here, center point at origin, right click, select option, smart dimension, diameter of this circle 65 mm, right click, select option, come back from the sketch, go to pictures, extrude it boss base feature, and extrude it up to 42 mm. Select OK. Now select front plane, sketch, normal. Now select line command, center line, draw one line here, right click, select option. Now select rectangle command, corner rectangle, select this edge and draw one rectangle here, right click, select option. Smart dimension, distance from here to here 14 mm and this distance 2.5 mm. Right click, select option. Smart dimension, this distance 1 mm. Right click, select option. Come back from the sketch, go to features, revolve cut, select axis of revolution, the center line, select OK. Now select this face, sketch, normal, select polygon command, number of sides 6 and draw a polygon here. Right click, select option. Smart dimension, diameter of this circle, this polygon circle 65 mm. Right click, select option, select this line, make it vertical. Now sketch is fully defined. Come back from the sketch, extrude it boss base feature and extrude it up to 10 mm. Select OK. Now select fillet command. Fillet radius, select 2 mm. Select these edges, select OK. Now select chamfer, select fillet. Drop down the menu, here is the chamfer option, select it. Chamfer distance 5 mm. Select this edge, select OK. Now select this face, sketch, normal, select circle command, draw one circle here, right click, select option, smart dimension, diameter of this circle 42 mm, right click, select option, come back from the sketch, go to features, extruded cut, and here select through all, select OK. Now select insert, drop down the menu, annotation, here select cosmic thread and select this face, select OK. Go to options, document properties, detailing, here select shaded cosmic thread, display filter, select OK. Now this part is complete, give it some color, edit appearance, I select this color, select OK. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe Explain CAD.